Today's Hindu editorial that we are going to discuss is Vaccine for All on COVID-19 vaccine. Uh, COVID-19, so many hospitals and also so many COVID-19 patients has been waiting for the COVID-19 vaccine, and also it is like a relay, and lots of people has been died in a baton, and also the government's means the government is also rushing and also trying to make the vaccine, and to grasp it from the mile of no more people of dying. The government rushing to rushing to find a vaccine. Whether or not a vaccine for COVID-19 is around the corner, it's imperative that a vaccine policies is formulated for India, ensuring for all the party of access for all. It has been a long to finding a vaccine. So there have been chances of finding a vaccine, and they are trying to find a vaccine. Policies are formulated in for India, and also ensuring party for access, party of all. WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom recently spoke of the need of your use a vaccine when it becomes available efficiently, as many of the countries needed vaccine, and it is sure to have a vaccine, and WHO director said as soon as we should find an vaccine. We have said that he also indicated the need to prioritize the vaccination for some in the initial stages, while in time as production increases, people everywhere should get it. In the initial stages, global health leaders have been advancing the vaccine for essential workers, and those at risk of the senior citizens, or those who are with with unconditional health, or who are in a very risky condition. Even in this initial stage, the government should make the vaccine available of free of cost, and not keeping for the for the money. And also, if it keep money, it should keep in an affordable rates, as production kicks off. Initial production costs are likely to be high, even astronomical, and it's duty of governments to question the cost. Once the economics of the scale began to kick in, it is likely that the prices are down, and also it says that once the besides being a moral and ethical imperative, it also make means allow the virus to survive. Vaccine will only serve to the allow of the virus to survive and continue to wreak the further damage. India has a fairly reliable vaccine delivery system for children. As part on the children COVID-19 cases, it has been first of taking care of the children, and giving the vaccine to the children first. And also, as part of the universal immunization program, if many has been assumed by this, that the knowledge and withdrawal in a run. However, in terms of scopes, this is far wider, as this was far wider, and also as it was far and wider. In fact, a mammoth task, means a very big task, mammoth task, as it was a very big task. All people in the country must be have to access the vaccine, means all should have the access of vaccine, and also if necessary they should if necessary periodic doses of it. Indeed the mobilization for this task, indeed the mobilization for this task, and in this task, and also in India it should be nothing short of heroic, as when the vaccine is available here. Meanwhile the government get its act together on developing a policy specific specific to the COVID-19 vaccine from the preparing resources, both material and also human, for the manufacture, storage and distribution and delivery. So this is our Hindu editorial on COVID-19 vaccine. Thank you.